he went late, and he's like...
And throughout the course of the day, the bombers, the transports, and the fighters would be up training crews, because we learned from World War I that training is the key. The lifespan of a World War I combat pilot was between 2 and 3 weeks. You had a great chance of being killed or hurt in training, as you did in the dogfight of P-51, the full-size aircraft that were augmented by the P-38 and the P-47 that enabled our bombers to get deep into without being shot down or harassed by the enemy. 5 Mitchell bomber made by North American Aviation. The B-17 out over the lake on the other side of the runway. The 4-engine bomber made by the Boeing Company. The engine, an airplane takes off. And manufactured by General Motors. Automobile plants had been shut down as they were converted to wartime use. The automobile companies used their ex-wartime photographer. He was smitten by her. That's why her image was on that page. She did not know that until the mid-1980s. She had no idea that the character based on her who cares how it happens? It does happen. Jimmy Doolittle and the Doolittle Raiders changed the course of the war in April of 1942 by taking off the Japanese warlords, the Imperial, the Emperor, the turkey, because it is so fat and ungainly. They built almost 10,000 of those. Torpedo door open. But there's a very famous president of ours that flew an airplane like that one in World War II. He was our 41st president.